this evening can last forever. I can stay here with you guys till the morning. I'm not sure that my husband gonna like it.
Well, in another probably 2 hours, I'll be watching sunshine.
Wishing
But
for
let him hear
sunshine.
some music, my
Yeah,
husband.
it's
It's
almost 3
relaxing.
o'clock in the morning here.
Wow.
So
Thank you.
Thank
for
you,
being here.
ladies, for putting this together.
Thank
so
you
much.
very much.
Really,
it was
yes, so much.
beautiful.
Thank you, Tsipi, for really putting everything together.
Exactly.
Yeah,
And
I
we
know
all-
it's a long road, but we're in the open stretch now. Yeah, beautiful.
Exactly.
Oh,
We also want to thanks to the people that, not here on the front and help us, to Dana, Ve'adas, Ve'anat, Ve'chagai, Ve'Anna. Anna,
Anna.
thank you, Anna.
Thank you.
Without you, nothing can happen.
Pablo.
Pablo,
Muchas
more-
gracias. תודה רבה.
ותודה לכל המנטורים בישראל ואנשי הרוח שעוזרים לנו להפיץ את הסרט המדהים הזה, ותודה לכל מי שצפה בנו והחזיק עד הסוף. תודו שהסוף היה הכי שווה להחזיק אליו.
רמב"ן, נתחיל בסוף.
היה ממש כיף. רוצה להגיד
So,
משהו?
We'd really like to thank everyone who's watching. We just joked that thank you to the people who have watched all the way to the end. Perhaps next time we'll start at the end because it seems like the most interesting part has just begun. So I'm glad we warmed up, everybody. We're all learning to use the technology to bridge and make connections, and starting to become a little bit more comfortable to break through the screen and actually feel more of the connection, with or without being conscious of it. It's happening. And we really are one. And thank you everyone for coming to prove that and coming to share that. And may we continue to share that. And all we have to do is share. If everyone shared a little bit more, we have abundance for all, and it's on its way. So share this campaign. We have 2 more days to support UNICEF Beirut and to spread the word and spread the love of this beautiful documentary. Thank you everyone.
Beautiful.
Thank you guys for being here, for sharing your wisdom.
And one can be more beautiful than to finish or to end this evening with music.
And Robert Clarkson, lead us away, please. Thank you so much. The cells in my body are already.
bless you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bless you.
See you all soon.
Please mute yourself.